oh no, the crown, it's inside the thing, we can't get it. So that was a short game. But yeah, if the game is actually playable, then we can shorten that time now that. Oh wait, it went back up to 3. Yeah, that's not good. So like 1.5 instead. Because it was at 2 back when there was only 1. That's funny. The crown draws in front of the banner. So wait, yeah, let's put the banner. Level banner. Yeah, no, it can't be at 0. It has to be at I think that thing's at -2, so we'll put it at like -5. GUI text draws over everything, so we don't have to worry about that. We can just put it arbitrarily close to the. Alright, so yeah, here we go. Look at this. We're gonna get to level 2, I swear. Yay, we did it. And now we're on level 2. Yay. Yay, we did it. Now we're on level 3. So it just lingers on the crown for a second. Like, that's what phase 1 is now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We need to get purple. So, I gotta ditch green, right? Oh, no. Yeah, I can go to blue. Yeah, and then I can go to red. Oh, wow, that was close. That's literally the only way I could have beaten that level. There's only one red in that level. So, whoa. Huh. That's interesting. I clicked down and it moved sideways. But that was weird, because you're not supposed to be on these scores anyways. So I don't know what just happened there. But I did see that other weird thing about... Huh. Anyways. Yay. I should probably do something when you win, so that the game doesn't just freeze, so that you know that is like in fact a good thing. I can just like shoot out like some confetti or something, or like stars. I like stars. I just have a nice star texture that I actually made back one day when I was like, I should make a star texture. It was great. I was in oh no, that was for yeah, it was for pay with an extra Y. When the last game jam I was in, I made this game. Well, not the last game jam, but actually the first game jam I was in. I made this game, and like the game was like basically as you see it here, except these little stars didn't appear, and like right at the last second, I was like, no, I need to make it so that when you click, little stars, like little blinky stars, pop out. And so I spent the last 2 hours of the jam, like right up to the deadline, making it so these little blinky stars popped out. It was also the case that like the dudes didn't the dudes would just hop intermittently, but now I made it. But then the other thing I did in the last minutes was to make it so that the dudes only hop around when you give them little blinky stars. But yeah, I made a little star texture. And if anyone was here earlier when I was making a crown, you know how long it takes me to make silly little shapes. So I just really like that star texture, because now I have a star texture. Like, I could have just gone online and found like a free star texture. I could have gone online and found like a free crown icon. But I don't know. It makes me happy to have ones that I made myself. So yeah. So now I use that star in like, well, I've only made one game since, but I definitely used my star in Hero as well. I made it so that wait till an explosive device shows up. Yeah, because you just collect the coins, but if an explosive device shows up, you detonate the explosive device, or you neutralize the explosive device. Yeah, here we go. And stars pop out, yeah. I should just put those stars in literally every project I make from now. So, yeah, why not? They're just great. They're so multi-purpose. You can just use them for everything. So game object, create other quad 0, 0. Oh yeah, so the person who just stopped by, the person I just waved to, was reminding me that we got to wrap this up soon. So I'm probably going to stop streaming in like 10 minutes or so, because I have to pack up and get going. But actually, I could probably go for like, not push it, because like as soon as I leave, the sooner I leave, the sooner I'll get set up at home anyway. So yeah, probably in about 10 minutes, I'm going to wrap up here. That might give us enough time to implement the stars, maybe. And then, so yeah, as soon as I wrap up here, I'm going to hurry home. I'm going to buy energy drinks on the way, because I'm going to, as soon as I get home, I'm going to fire it back up, and I'm going to stream all night. So There'll be a brief hiatus, but I'm assuming there's probably someone else that we can kick it over to in the meantime. There's usually oh wow, look at all these streamers that are online right now. Like 2D Heroes is really good. Siege Games is really good. I don't know who these other people are, but who knows? Maybe they're really good too. Yeah, so we'll kick it over to one of them in just a minute, and or just not just a minute, in like about 10 minutes or so. And let's see if we can get stars done in before that. So yeah, whatever. Reset that. So the hero's at 0 distance. So do you want? I guess we want the stars to show over the hero, but under the crown. So let's put them at a distance of like 1, because we don't want to obscure the crown. What? What? No, that can't be true. Are you serious? Hold on. It's like my dream came true. No, but literally, like, this is... Oh no, I deleted it. Well, I mean, it's still... Wow, that's magical. Thank you for tipping me off, Fools Duty. That is freaking awesome. Twitch, help, game dev title. I wonder if it'll actually index. Yeah, look at this. Check this out. This is me, Finry. I read this like a month ago almost. I was like, please, Twitch. I had game development as a title. Presently, many game dev streamers have no suitable option for their streams. Titles like Ludum Dare, program, blah, 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 blah. That is amazing. I attribute it all to me. I figure it's probably basically just me. I'm probably the reason that they did that. And no, I'm thrilled about that. I'm giving a talk on Monday about game dev streaming, and one of the things that I was going to mention is that like Twitch is basically the best right now in terms of like what they do for streamers, but the one downside I was going to mention was that they don't actually have a game dev channel. So like it's really the inconvenient part about that is that the inconvenient part about that is that like previously, except for sites like this one and this one that index game dev streams, like game dev streams were really diffuse. They were just like really spread out. Like I had to like, I felt like I was like collecting them constantly because I'm talking right through all my dev time. But whatever, it is more important. Oh man. I mean, they're still probably going to feel a little bit diffuse because, for one thing, I'm sure a lot of people probably aren't even going to switch over to game dev for their title, and other. Yeah, I mean, like some devs who are making games, like high profile games, like they also use the title of their actual game. Like Vlambeer uses Nuclear Throne as the title that they stream under. So like yeah, there's still going to be like a meaningful purpose for sites like these that aggregate and index like streamers. But no, that is sweet. That is really sweet. Like I said, it was all me. I'm 100% responsible for it. Unless you don't like it, in which case I had nothing to do with it and you can't prove it. No, I'm just really pumped about that. So yeah, thanks for sharing that. I completely missed that somehow. I guess I don't know. I haven't been streaming the past 2 days, so maybe that was why. All right, but let's do stars real quick. Stars, super fast stars. Should I push it? I might be pushing it at this point. I should probably just wrap up. No, I'll just move stars over. I'll just set up the prefab. Like I won't actually put in the tech. All right. So let's go really quick. So this is going to be star prefab. And it's going to be, so we need a star material, star, matte, and now we need to get our texture. So right now, I know it's in projects, pay with an extra Y, assets, star, yay. Oh, it uses. This is back when I was using MS Paint too, so it uses alpha from Grayscale and everything. It's that high tech. What is this iama? All right, so yeah, So alpha from grayscale, alpha is transparent, clamp, apply. So star matte, we'll use star texture. It will be transparent diffuse. Star matte will be on our star prefab, and star prefab has to be much smaller than that. Let's put it next to the other things to get relative size. It doesn't have to be so small, but let's at least put it down to like 0.5. Yeah, that looks good. And a bunch of them will pop out because like nothing else is really happening at that time. The screen is like really static, so like just a bunch of stars will like all out in all directions. A bunch of multicolored stars probably too, because I don't know, whatever, it's fun. All right, so now we have our prefab. So I'm just gonna reset its position again, back to 0, 0 for no particular reason, and then we have our prefab. Super cool. And then, because I have like 2 minutes before I said I was gonna start wrapping up, I'll set up public game object star prefab, save that, and then set that, and then I do have to do like I'm gonna save my work before I go, like check it into I don't need this to be in scene anymore, so I can get rid of that. But I do need to link this here. Yeah, so right after I do this, I'm going to kick it over to probably 2D Heroes. I don't know how long he's going to be up for. Hopefully he's up for at least a little while longer. Hopefully he's up long enough for me to make it home, and then I'll jump right back in. So yeah, let's see how the stream is going. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna show his stream on my stream for a second. Oh wait, I won't show the ad though. So I'll minimize that for a second. Yeah, thank you everyone who tuned in for phase 1 of this stream. I'm gonna be back online in hopefully like an hour or so. So yeah, if you're up for a little bit longer, you can find me again then. And then I'm just gonna, so as not to leave you empty-handed, I'm just gonna good evening to the heroes. Do you suppose you'll be online for another hour? Just checking. To see, because I'm guessing Siege Games will probably be on for a while longer. So if he's leaving soon, then I might just I might kick it over to Siege Games instead. But anyways, yeah, thank you to everyone who tuned in. I think we made a lot of progress today. I feel good about how far we've made it. I feel like, especially because I'm doing the overnight thing. A lot of people at the jam are not. They're probably getting sleep, which is probably good in a lot of regards. But for me personally, I'm gonna go the other route. I'm gonna go delirious. I'm gonna go a little bit crazy. It's just working right through the night. Yeah. So I think I don't know. This is cool. Whatever. I'll probably just kick it over to 2D Heroes anyways. Yeah, so, yeah, I don't know. I like this project. I like where we're going. So I look forward to the next, like, even the bleary delirious hours that will come, halfway through Sunday. I look forward to those as well. Anyways, I really have to wrap it up now. So at this point, I'm just gonna kick it over to, whatever. Yeah. All right. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. I hope to see you guys again in the very near future. And now, instead of my silly face, let's look at 2D Heroes' face instead. Bye. Did it work? Did it switch over? Did it? I can't tell if it worked. Hold on. Let me check websites. This is funny. Did it offline? Yeah. All right. Good. So that probably works. Anyways, all right.